Lord have mercy. Let's get in here. I got all kinds of stuff going on. I guess we ought to catch up on it. Man. Hey, I know it's been a minute, maybe two. Thought maybe if y'all ain't too mad, maybe we catch up, see what's going on with one another. Things have changed around here considerably. Sometimes you just got to stop, organize everything in order to be productive. I'm working in a small space. Things get a little crowded, and I know it don't look like it, but man, I'm so proud to have walking space. Man, look, as far as I'm concerned, that's an aisle. Come on. I done cleaned that stuff up. You know I got room to swing a cat now. Man, what does your project list look like? I don't know what's on your workbench. What's the project list look like? I mean, mine's exciting looking to me. It's stuff I'm interested in. It's stuff I want to get my hands on. But I have to push it back sometimes to do stuff I'm still interested in. Maybe it's not quite as intriguing. So, that's kind of the battle you face. You got to put forth the shiny and new assemblies, before you can tend to those with warts on them. So, let's go look at a few of my warts. This little old engine here, I can tell it don't have any hours on it. And she's having problems, and compression is her problem. So we're going to dig into her, and we'll talk more about it. And right behind it is a Ryobi airless project. I have had success working on those, believe it or not. I've got this that I've been working on, and I'm really dying to tell you more about it. It's under wraps at the moment. It keeps going. It gets better. Cool project on the table right now, which this is a build assembly, and if this is everything it takes right here to build a 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer, minus the power plant. You supply the engine, everything else is right there. That's a cool opportunity for some of y'all. We're gonna get into that in the next video. That's one of the projects I'm working on right now. Coming up after that, I do have 2 more 8 gallon a minute projects set up to do. This one will be covered in a general pump conversion, and this right here, this is a pump that's on the market. I, for the life of me, don't know why I don't see more of it in the market. It's a really good pump. I've gotten some good success out of it. I can't find nobody to tell me anything really bad other than it's a big bad pump. So I would take it, but maybe we look at that. We'll look at that next time or another time. That sounds good. So tell me, if you see something in my project list that y'all are interested in, I'd like to hear about it. Drop it in the comments. If you don't want to see it, I'd tell people about it. I'd share that with everybody I know. So don't watch that. So send it to everyone if you would. Hey, this is another one of those, I know I can make this run, but it's had so many problems with it. It's just, we're down to the final issue. I got me a carburetor, and I am gonna get it put on there. Maybe I'll show you that, what you think. Nonetheless, that's one of those, I look forward to doing it. I wanna get my hands on that, but shiny big stuff takes over. I'm rode up, son, and I'm loaded up down here with some little engines. And man, I got a project lined up that I want to do, which is, I've got all those little engines running. I got these cool little pumps down here, and I have quite a few of them up in there. Here's the thing, man, they're all new. They're all brand new. They're just missing like a little piece where somebody stole a little piece off of it or borrowed, let's say they borrowed it and they didn't return it yet. So I'm looking forward to throwing those together and seeing what I end up with. That's going to be a good little build project for the old Rooster. On the bench at the moment, I've got some shiny stuff. My power plant for that 5.5 horse build I spoke of, 5.5 horse. I'm referring to gallons per minute. 5.5 gallons per minute. There's my kit. That's my power plant I'm gonna put it together with. And here's the little, an example of a little 8 gallon a minute gear drive. Now this is done with the Comet 8036 pump and the GX 690 engine. That's the one I like, right there. Get yourself one of these, boys. Get yourself one of these projects right here. I want to play with it. Old 41 steel. I want to hear it should run. It should run, and it should operate, and it should be cared for, and it should be put on a shelf and admired. And it shouldn't look like that. No, sir. Anyway, we're going to try and do something about that. I sure hope that project turns out well. Hey, here's what I need you to do. I need you to tell me, have you seen something inside my little old workspace that you're interested in? Drop me a note. Man, that kind of catches me up with you guys. This is the day he has made. I'm telling y'all, look at that blue sky. That one was made for me. Look at that beauty.